Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel RomanianPod101 account, complete guide step by step clearly. To cancel your RomanianPod101 account, begin by logging into the RomanianPod101 website. Enter your username and password on the homepage and click Login. Once logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the screen. Click on your profile icon or username to access your account settings. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Subscription or Billing option. Click on this option to view your current subscription details. You should see information about your plan and the renewal date. Find the option that says Cancel Subscription or similar wording. Click on Cancel Subscription to begin the cancellation process. A confirmation prompt may appear, asking you to confirm your decision. Review any information provided about your cancellation. If you are sure about your choice, click Confirm or Yes to finalize the cancellation. After confirming, you should receive an email notification regarding your cancellation. Make sure to check your email for this confirmation to ensure the process is complete. If you encounter any issues during cancellation, look for customer support options on the website. Consider reaching out to RomanianPod101 support team for assistance. Remember, your access to the account will remain active until the end of the current billing period. After that, you will no longer be charged, and your account will be closed. Keep an eye on your bank statements to confirm that no additional charges occur in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.